Hey, welcome everybody. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to set up your own server inside of Midjourney, right? And some of the reasons why you want to set up your own server is because you want to be able to see your designs inside of the server. So you would go to midjourney.com and set up an account. They have different account plans ranging from $10, I think, all the way up to $60. And you have different modes, right? So one of the highest plans has a stealth mode. And in that stealth mode, basically you can create designs inside of your own server that won't be shared with the general public. So if I click here with this little sailboat, you'll see that this is where all the general newbie discussions and everything happen. So inside of a lot of these newbie rooms, you'll see there are a lot of different prompts being shared. And this is an open room for anybody to actually go into, right? So what I want to do is I want to create my own server. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over this plus button and I'm going to click add a server, right? And then I'm going to click create my own, and I'm going to do it for me and my friends, right? And then I'm just going to change the name, right? And we'll change the name to Black History Month since we're celebrating Black History Month in February. So I'll share that, right? And you could create different server names based upon what you're creating or what you're doing, right? So it's going to create a server. And as you can see, it'll say BHM, right? Black History Month. Now, before you can actually go in and start getting your prompts going, what you're going to do is you're going to have to add a Midjourney bot inside, right? You could also invite your friends if you click here, and you could just copy this link. And if they have a Discord account, they can actually be inside of the same server as you, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to that Midjourney bot, right? And you could click any room that you're going into, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to double click Midjourney bot, right? All right. And now I'm going to go in and click add an app. And then I'm going to select the server and I'm going to click Black History Month, right? And then I'm going to click continue. We're going to authorize it. It wants to make sure we are human. So we're confirming that we're not a robot. Typically, they'll give you a prompt to ask to select which one you're not. If you're not a robot, some type of animal or bus, like you'll have to click a spot to make sure and verify that you're human. And we're going to go back to Black History. And now you have your bot. So now you can go ahead and you can create a prompt. Create a watercolor illustration of a woman wearing a black shirt, right? And now we should send the command, and now we're going to wait, and Midjourney is going to work. And now you have your own server set up inside of your room, and we're just going to wait. It'll take a couple of minutes for the illustration to appear. But as you can see, Midjourney is working its magic, and we're waiting. And it looks like we're getting something here, right? So you always want to make sure you add your Midjourney bot, because if you don't add the bot to the room, you're not going to be able to start prompting, right? So as you can see, we have a watercolor illustration of a woman with a black shirt. And that concludes today's training on how to create your own server inside of Midjourney. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave your questions below. Any comments, greatly appreciated. Remember, watch the video all the way to the end to get everything you need. Thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like. Hope you all enjoyed this video.